Deep within the Amazon rainforest, where unknown whispers meet rustling canopies, enigmatic tales emerge. Legends of civilizations and elusive creatures weave a web, echoes persisting like untamed riddles yearning to be deciphered. From the walking tree challenging gravity to the vampire squirrel ethereally nestled within foliage, these recordings hold inexplicable allure. Beyond reason, they invite us on an expedition to uncharted realms. Join us to confront legends and unearth enigmatic jungle recordings, shrouded in an enigma that defies explanation. Number 1. Walking trees. Deep within its lush green sanctuary, a truly astounding phenomenon awaits, capable of leaving even the most intrepid explorers astonished. Picture this. Trees, akin to the animated Ents from J.R. Tolkien's legendary Lord of the Rings, forging their own captivating odyssey. As the relentless forces of erosion gradually erode the soil beneath their sturdy trunks, these remarkable trees spring into action, unveiling an extraordinary adaptation. They unfurl new, elongated roots that reach out, questing for unyielding ground. These audacious extensions extend up to an astounding 20 meters as the trees tenaciously seek secure footing. The roots of yesteryears, once tethered to the earth, metamorphose into suspended bridges, a stunning spectacle. With unwavering patience and purpose, the trees gracefully incline and curve, guided by the allure of light and stability in their new home. This arduous journey, a testament to their resilience, can span years, a slow yet steadfast migration. Regrettably, this deliberate movement cannot shield them from the unfortunate fate of being felled by human hands. And yet, even in the face of impending saws, these extraordinary trees manage an astonishing feat. They cover impressive distances. In just a solitary year, they can traverse an astonishing 20 meters, an achievement worth marveling at. Imagine returning to a spot where once a tree majestically stood, only to find it mysteriously absent, having surreptitiously shifted further down the path, as if nudged by imperceptible forces. Number 2. Vampire squirrel. Deep within the heart of the Amazon jungle, a curious tale of mystery unfolds among the local hunters. The discovery of muntjac deer carcasses, virtually untouched save for a fatal throat wound and missing internal organs, has sparked a unique explanation that turns to an unexpected culprit, the vampire squirrel. While this notion might seem extraordinary, it's the local tribe's belief that these rodents, perched on low-hanging branches, await their unsuspecting prey before lunging down to strike at the jugular. As the story goes, the deer bleeds out, providing the squirrel with a macabre feast. While skepticism is warranted, this traditional account might hold fragments of truth, reflecting the carnivorous behaviors seen in other squirrel species that hunt small birds. As we delve into this captivating narrative, it's crucial to keep an open mind and continue investigating the mysteries that thrive within the depths of the jungle. In the spirit of discovery, let's giddy up and explore further. Number 3. Ancient ruins. In the lush expanse of the Bolivian Amazon, recent revelations have brought to light an enigmatic past, unveiling ancient ruins that rewrite the history books. Advanced technology, including lasers, has unveiled a wealth of knowledge about an unknown settlement crafted by a forgotten civilization. The intricate 3D maps created by researchers paint a vivid picture, showcasing 11 settlements adorned with grand pyramids and intricate canals. These revelations offer glimpses into the vibrant lives of ancient Amazonians who flourished around 1,500 years ago. Delving further, the team discovered 2 major settlement sites and an additional 24 smaller areas, 15 of which were previously undisclosed. These settlements, spanning the years between 500 and 1400 CE, challenge the long-held belief that the Amazon remained untouched until the arrival of Europeans. This archaeological triumph not only showcases the Amazonians' exceptional ability to create thriving communities with towering 22-meter clay pyramids and intricate elevated pathways, but also poses a tantalizing mystery. How did these impressive structures become shrouded in the dense Amazon forest? As we continue to seek answers, this unprecedented discovery invites us to rewrite the narrative of the Amazon, shedding light on its concealed chapters and celebrating the brilliance of ancient civilizations that once thrived within its embrace. Number 4. Mysterious geoglyphs. In the realm of captivating discoveries, scientists have unveiled a breathtaking world of wonder using advanced satellite technology. This revelation brings to light the existence of geoglyphs, earthworks formed by arranging or shifting objects within landscapes to create intricate lines and patterns. These formations, ranging from stones to mounds of earth, stand out amidst the natural surroundings, resembling remarkable works of art. Found in Brazil's Mato Grosso state, these geoglyphs, suspected to have ceremonial purposes, have intrigued researchers. Utilizing satellite imagery, scientists confirmed the authenticity of 24 objects as genuine geoglyphs, leading to the astonishing discovery of 81 in total across southern Amazonia. These structures unveil an incredible network of pathways connecting ancient villages dating back to 1250. Despite their spatial separation, these findings suggest a remarkable chain of geoglyphs spanning approximately 1,100 miles or 1,800 kilometers. Constructed during dry periods for ease of land clearance, these intricate earthworks leave us in awe of the astonishing knowledge and skills of ancient civilizations that once thrived in this captivating region. Number 5. Invaluable medicines. Within the heart of the Amazon rainforest lies a treasure trove of invaluable medicines, owed to its astonishing collection of plant and animal species. This rich biodiversity has led to the discovery of life-saving drugs, and the list continues to expand. Among the lush paradise, some remarkable plants stand out for their extraordinary contributions to medicine. Take the barren hammer jabarandi, a humble shrub known for its prowess against glaucoma. Its leaves contain pilocarpine, a special alkaloid that, when applied, stimulates various glands in the body, offering relief to those with this condition. Another shrub, the ipecac or Psychotria epicaquana, boasts roots that induce vomiting, making it a historic remedy for gastrointestinal diseases, fevers, and respiratory ailments like bronchitis. But the Amazon's medicinal wonders don't stop there. Cocoa, believed to originate in this rainforest, not only tantalizes taste buds but also holds remarkable health properties. Studies show it can reduce heart disease risk, enhance cognitive function, and even elevate mood. Astonishingly, over a quarter of modern pharmaceuticals contain ingredients from the Amazon, yet it's important to remember that only a fraction of the rainforest's plant species have been explored for their medicinal potential. Number 6. Boiling River. Hidden within the depths of the Amazon rainforest, a remarkable river flows, the Shanay Timpishka. This river is renowned for its enigmatic boiling waters, captivating the curiosity of scientists and enthusiasts alike. Nestled in Peru, this river has earned its reputation by claiming the lives of anything that falls into its scalding embrace. This legend spurred investigations, driven by the quest to uncover its secrets and unveil the scientific truths behind it. Before 2011, the Shanay Timpishka was considered a myth, but people began to actively search and share videos to authenticate its existence. Stretching for about 9 kilometers, this river possesses unique attributes. It originates as a cold stream, gradually warms as it flows, and experiences a slight cooling during the night. The lower section, however, holds the most intense heat, resulting in the unfortunate demise of small animals that unwittingly meet its waters. Approaching this river is fraught with danger due to the risk of accidental falls. Initially, 3 theories emerged to elucidate its mystery. One credited a volcano's role, another attributed it to swiftly flowing hot water from beneath the ground, and a third placed blame on an oil field mishap, sparking concern. Yet rigorous studies have disproven these notions, establishing the boiling river as a natural phenomenon characterized by fast-flowing water not prompted by volcanic activity. An alternative explanation suggests that the river's heat originates from the Earth's geothermal gradient. Situated close to the Earth's mantle, the underground water is inherently hotter than the surface water, leading to boiling upon resurfacing. As rainwater infiltrates the Amazon rainforest and percolates through the Earth's crust, it gets progressively heated, only to be brought back to the surface through hot springs. The significance of the boiling river extends beyond its fascinating characteristics, encompassing geological, cultural, and biological value. This unique facet of the Amazon requires protection, especially in the face of ongoing deforestation in the region. As we conclude our journey through the mesmerizing tapestry of the Amazon jungle's secrets, we're reminded that this dense wilderness is far more than meets the eye. From the enigmatic walking trees defying gravity to the awe-inspiring geoglyphs that speak of ancient civilizations' ingenuity and the astonishing medicinal wonders hidden within the foliage, this rainforest continues to unveil its captivating mysteries. The Amazon's unfathomable depths have beckoned explorers and scientists alike, revealing a world of wonder that challenges our preconceptions and enriches our understanding of this vibrant, complex ecosystem. As we embrace the knowledge gained from these discoveries, we're left with a renewed appreciation for the Amazon's intricate web of life and the extraordinary tales it holds within its lush embrace.